Okay, good evening. Hope you all are fine. We are doing vectors. Now, after addition of vectors, we will be doing a subtraction of vector and then a resolution of vector. When we talk about subtraction of vector, basically it means addition of negative of a vector with another vector. क्या? Addition of negative of a vector with another vector is called subtraction of vector. Meaning क्या है? Let us see. So, what I have written, the process of addition of negative of a vector with another vector is called subtraction of a vector. It means what? It means, let us say we have two vectors. One is vector B and other one is vector A. Right? Now, if we take negative of vector A, so let's say this will be like minus A. So now we'll be taking vector like this, and then this will give us resultant of these two. It means minus A plus B is called the process of subtraction of a vector. Or we can take it like this also. If we have this is vector A and let's say this is vector B. So if this is minus B, then a resultant of these two is A minus B. So both ways we can see. Thus, this is called the subtraction of a vector. But the point is, what is usefulness or utility of it? Utility is, let's say you are told there is a wall. On the wall, you are hitting a ball with velocity v, and ball is getting reward from the wall with same velocity, and then you are told to find change in velocity. Change in velocity. because velocity is a vector quantity. So change, we find something final minus initial. So v2 minus v1, both are v. But if you take the ball going towards the wall is positive, then coming out from wall is negative. So v and minus of minus v, and so it becomes v plus v, thus it is 2v. And this way we are using the subtraction of a vector, in a way application of this, right? Now we'll be doing something very significant, what is called resolution of a vector. Basically, this is the reverse process of addition of vector. The reverse process of addition of a vector. ये addition का reverse है, which means this is basically splitting a vector into its components. What? Splitting a vector into its components. किसी वेक्टर को उसके कंपोनेंट में ब्रेक कर देना, इसको बोलते हैं रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ वेक्टर या रिजॉल्व करना. जैसे हमने सीखा था, इफ वी हैव लेट्स से टू वेक्टर्स, वेक्टर ए एंड वेक्टर बी, तो हमने कहा कि दिस इज द रिजल्टेंट व्हिच इज a plus b, right? Now reverse of it could be what? Means this vector which is resultant r is given, right? Then if we can break it into its components, which is along x-axis and along y-axis, then this is said to be the resolving a vector, which means let's take it with the help of an example. Example is, let's say r given is 5 Newton, and let's say it is inclined at 45 degree. तो r की कंपोनेंट हमें फाइंड करनी है और फोर्स को रिजॉल्व करना है. तो लेट्स से these are the coordinates x axis and y axis. It is inclined at 45 degree. If you resolve, this is x component, So x is 5 cos 45 degree and y component would be 5 sin 45 degree, right? So 5 cos 45 and 5 sin 45. Obviously, if you place value, 5 and cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. So this much Newton is the value of force along x-axis, and similarly sin 45 also same. So 5 upon root 2 Newton along y-axis. And this way we are doing the resolving a vector. And then there are so much to do in resolving a vector. We'll do in next class. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Don't forget to hit like button, subscribe it, share it with your friends. May God bless you.